jungle, they run in the show. Grazing on the plains, population may grow. Trees in the forest where the wild winds blow. Balance in the breeze, it's a natural flow. Wolves in the pack, howling under moonlight. Fish in the rivers, dodging predators' bite. Bees in the hive, working day and night. Harmony in nature, it's a simple delight. Rise and fall in nature's scene. Every creature plays its part so clean. Grow strength, all in between. Nature's beat, keeping it evergreen. Flora in the meadow, standing so tall. Birds in the sky echoing their call. Predators prowl, prey may soon fall. Cycle of life, it involves us all. Under the ocean, whales do roam. Coral reefs provide a shelter and home. From the peaks to the earthly loam, nature's web and balance, it's never alone. Rise and fall in nature's scene. Every creature plays its part so clean. Grow strength, all in between. Nature's beat, keeping it evergreen.